Hi everybody, I'm Mark Stover with Perma-Column, and I'm at the favorite site that I want to be, which is a field location for deck posts. As you can see in the back, there's a beautiful deck that's being built by Green Shield Deck Builders Remodeling, but I also want to talk about the products that they use. Green Shield is selected to use the Perma-Column precast concrete deck post. This particular Perma-Column is made out of 10,000 PSI concrete. It is designed to handle freeze and thaw. The main purpose of this is to keep wood out of the ground. So that deck is going to last a long time. And how it starts is with a permanent foundation system, and it's called Perma-Column precast concrete deck posts. When a deck builder is trying to get a permit to build a deck for a residential home, they're going to use this brochure. This brochure basically lays out the ICC specifications that a code inspector is going to need. Why is that important? Because a code inspector wants to make sure that the consumer gets the quality and meets the code of municipality. You can set the foundation, you can put the wood on it, and it's done, completed in that day. Build better, build stronger, build to last.